Looking for tools that can seriously upgrade your workshop? From powerful routers and precision miter saws to high-performance grinders and sanders, these are 5 must-have tools you need to see before your next project. First up, Skil 10-amp router tool. Powered by a strong 2.0 horsepower motor, it provides consistent performance from start to finish. The adjustable speed control lets you match the speed to different materials, while the soft start feature gives you a safer, more controlled beginning. Plus, the live tool indicator keeps you alert whenever the router is connected to power. With a durable die-cast motor housing and ergonomic handles for a comfortable, secure grip, this router is a powerful upgrade for any woodworking workshop. AKM Impact Screwdriver Set, the ultimate solution for stubborn rusted or tightly tightened screws and bolts. With both 1/2-inch and 3/8-inch receivers, you can use a wide range of bits and socket drivers for motorcycle repairs, engine work, and more. The kit includes precision-milled S2 alloy steel impact bits, Phillips flathead hex torque socket extensions, and screw extractors. Its corrosion-resistant chrome finish and non-slip knurled grip provide excellent control, while the included extractors help remove damaged screws. With 26 essential pieces in one kit, this impact screwdriver set is a must-have for any serious DIYer or mechanic. DEWALT Miter Saw is built for serious cutting power and precision. Its powerful 1100-watt motor delivers 3,800 RPM, making heavy-duty cuts smooth and reliable. The integrated cutline system and XPS LED shadowline technology provide precise alignment without constant adjustments. Plus, its efficient dust collection system captures over 75% of dust, keeping your workspace cleaner. With tall sliding fences and impressive cutting capacity for large dimensional lumber, this miter saw is a powerful choice for professionals and serious DIYers. Maxxt electric random sander designed for smoother, more precise sanding with less fatigue. Its customizable 2-speed control offers 6 fixed RPM levels, giving you the perfect speed for different materials. The powerful EC brushless motor delivers consistent performance while reducing vibration for a more comfortable sanding experience. Plus, the electronic brake stops the sanding pad almost instantly for added safety. With a symmetrical ergonomic design that works comfortably for both right and left-handed users, this sander is a reliable upgrade for any workshop, and it even comes with a 1-year warranty. AVID Power Angle Grinder delivers serious power for cutting and grinding jobs. Its powerful 1,000-watt motor and 7 variable speed settings let you adjust from 3,000 to 11,500 RPM for better control. The paddle switch with lock-on button makes extended work more comfortable, while the wheel guard and rubber overmold grip add safety and reduce vibration. With a spindle lock for quick wheel changes and a 2-position handle for better control, this angle grinder is a versatile choice for both DIYers and professionals.